Let's make a daisy using just pipe cleaners. Simple to make and the result is even more beautiful. Here is everything we will need to make this beautiful flower. White, yellow and pink pipe cleaners. You can use any color you like instead of pink. Stem wire, green floral tape, wire cutter or scissor, hot glue gun, paint and a brush. I am using face paint for this project. Once you have all the material ready, let's get started. Before we start with the process, let's see how the final daisy looks and what its parts are. You can place this flower on your study table, office desk, anywhere that could use a little color. We are making a white flower with the two layers of petal and a center made of yellow pipe cleaners with a pink border. The bottom of the flower has a green leaf base and the stem. I will also show you how I gave this flower a realistic look. And finally, we will arrange them in a flower pot. Alright, let's start with the petals. Take a white pipe cleaner and cut it in half. Then shape each half into two petals. We will need 12 white halves in total for one flower. That gives us 12 petals for the top layer and 12 for the bottom. Total 24 petals altogether. It is honestly a really smooth process, so take your time preparing all of them before we move on. Now for the center, this is where the color really comes alive. Take a yellow pipe cleaner, round it into a circle and apply hot glue at the end to secure it. Let's add a pink border around our yellow center. Grab a pink pipe cleaner, cut it in half and wrap one half around your stem wire, stretching it gently as you go. Secure the end with a bit of hot glue. Apply hot glue on the sides of yellow center and place the pink border directly on top of it. Your flower center is now ready. Now, just add a bit of hot glue to each petal and attach them one by one. Once you finish the first layer of petals, start your second layer. Make sure each petal in the second layer sits exactly on top of a petal from the first layer for that full layered daisy look. And there you have it, our daisy flower is ready. For that extra realistic touch, take your color palette and gently color around the flower center, matching the shade of your border. Since we have got a pink border here, I'll go with the red shade around the center. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference. Let's add some leaves to the bottom of the flower to make it look a little more natural. Take two green pipe cleaners and shape four leaves from each one. Then grab one more green pipe cleaner, cut it in half, and wrap one half around the stem wire to make a spiral leaf. Now stick both the leaf set at the bottom of the flower and add that spiral leaf at the base in a circular form. Attach the stem wire to the flower base, then wrap the whole stem with green floral tape for a clean finished look. Here is a quick tip for wrapping the floral tape. Leave a little space at the top, then start wrapping upward towards the bottom of the flower, and from there work your way all the way down to the end of the stem. You can make a few more flowers with a different colored center for some variety. Then arrange them in a flower pot. And just like that, you have a beautiful handmade daisy that brings a little calm and color into your space. Flowers bring joy, whether they are real or artificial. I know nothing truly compares to a real flower. Their freshness and fragrance changes the mood of home instantly. But sometimes you just don't have a real flower on hand. That's where this handmade flower comes in. They uplift you in their own way, especially when they are crafted by your own hands. I have also made some videos on how to make tiger lily. You can watch it next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.